Hello everyone. Today I will be presenting a topic titled hardware, which focus on the physical component that make up a computer system. Let's start with definition. Hardware refers to all the physical parts of a computer that you can touch and see. These components work together to carry out of instruction from software and allow the system to function properly. Some basic examples include the keyboard, monitor, and CPU. Hardware can be divided into four main types. First, we have input device for entering data, like a mouse or keyboard. Then there are output device such as monitor and printer that show us the result. And then we have processing device like the CPU are the responsible for data processing. And then last is a storage device such as a hard drive are used to save data. Input devices are used to send data into the computer. Examples include the keyboard for typing, the mouse for navigation, scanner for capturing image, and webcam for video input. On the other hand, output device display or present the result of the computer process. Common examples are monitor, which show image or text, printer for producing hard copies, and speaker for audio output. The CPU or Central Processing Unit is often called the brain of CPU or Central Processing Unit is often called the brain of the computer. It performs all the calculation and logic operation. The GPU or Graphic Processing Unit is used especially for handling image and video. RAM or Random Access Memory temporarily store data while the computer is operating. Storage data, there are different kind of storage device. The hard disk drive or HDD has a large capacity but is slower. The solid state drive or SSD is much faster and more efficient. We also have portable storage device like USB flash drive and optical discs such as CD and DVD. In conclusion, hardware is essential in every computer system. Each type of hardware has a specific role, whether for input, output, processing, or storage. Together with software, hardware make it possible for a computer to perform tasks effectively. Next, I will present software and operating system. This presentation will help us understand what they are, how they work, and why they are essential. What is software? Let's start with software. Software is a collection of instructions that tells a computer how to operate. Without software, hardware is useless. We divide software into two main categories: system software and application software. And then what is operating system? An operating system or OS is a special type of system software. It manages the computer hardware and software research. Basically, it acts as a bridge between us, the user, and the computer hardware. Some examples are Windows, Linux, Mac OS, and Android. Now, let's look more closely at the type of software. System computer include things like the operating system and utility tools. Application software include program we use daily like Microsoft Word, web browser, and games. In simple words, system software run the computer and application software let us do a specific task. Function of the operating system. The function is important, has many important. It manage process, handle memory, control hardware device, manage file, and provide a user interface. So when you open a program, save a file, or connect a printer, it's all controlled by the OS, operating system. Example of operating system. Let's see some example. For desktop, we have a Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. For mobile, there's a Android and iOS. For server, we use OS like Ubuntu server or Windows server. Why are software and OS so important? They allow us to interact with computer in an easy and productive way. They control everything for communication, for entertainment and work. Without them, computer would be impossible to use. Conclusion, to sum up, software and operating system are hard to computer system. Understanding them help us appreciate how technology works. And last, I hope this presentation gave you a clear and simple introduction to these essential topics. Thank you.